Hi folks, and welcome back to Tam Stamps. Today, we're going to be making the first card from the Stampin' Up! Honeycomb card box. Here's the package we get. And you can see we'll be making 3 cards out of this box. And today's card is going to be the strawberry. With the sentiment, very proud of you, and I love that. Here are the things we need. Let's start creating. Now with these cards, we're not going to have to do any stamping. These banners are actually called ephemera because they're pre-printed, and that makes this box a great way to introduce young ones to the card making hobby. There's no stamping, so no ink involved, so no mess. And everything is a punch out and a little adhesive. Now, along with our ephemera, we're going to need our background, and we'll also need 2 strawberry leaf punch outs. Alright, on to the adhesive. Everything's flipped upside down and all ready. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to be using these adhesive dots that allow us to get 2 paper products as close together as possible when we mount them together. We'll use 3 on this ephemera. If I can get it on there, there we go. And we'll also use 1 on the larger of the 2 strawberry leaves. Now we'll be moving on to our foam hexes, which help things stand out from the card base. I'll use 3 on the ephemera color base, and then 1 hex each on the strawberry leaves. Now, had I thought about this for a minute, I would have mounted the ephemera to the background strip before I attached the foam hexes. It would have just made it easier for me to line everything up because the hexes do tend to let it slide around a little bit. If you're enjoying these videos, please click the like button for me. As always, subscribing is free, so why not do it? And clicking the notification bell will make sure you don't miss our next video. If you do like the look of these cards that we'll be making over the next few days, we do have a link in the description to go to our Tam Stamps page, and you can find this box along with all your other card making supplies. All right, let's get everything mounted up. Now you can see the background color is not lined up perfectly with the top and bottom of the card, and I wanted to leave that in to show you that these cards are not all about perfection. If that was the case, this certainly probably would not have been my hobby. I think it's the work that we're putting into them, making them for that special person. That's what this hobby really is about to me. So if it's off center a little, is it a little crooked? You bet. Does that matter? I don't think so. All right, I'll get the last of these strawberry leaves mounted up. It took me a minute to figure out what to do with the strawberry, because I knew if the strawberry was expanded, it certainly would not have fit in the envelope. Well, you're making this card for a person who's going to get a surprise when they open up this card, because they're going to finish opening up the strawberry and mounting it to the card base. And I'll show you what I mean here. With the strawberry folded down, it does fit nicely into the envelope. Then when the person gets the card, they go, "Hey, I got a card." And they open it up and go, "Okay, what's this thing?" And then when they unfold it, they get the surprise of a nice big strawberry right on the front of their card. So that finishes up our first card out of the Honeycomb card box. Paraphrasing our card, we are very happy that you stopped by to Tam Stamps, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Have a great day.